Hello everyone, welcome to the today's lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about bacteria classification on the basis of temperature. Okay, in earlier classes, we discussed the classification of bacteria on the basis of size as well as staining and nutrition. Now we are discussing classification on the basis of temperature. Okay, so on the basis of temperature means basically on which temperature bacteria can grow. On that basis we are dividing bacteria in various classes. Okay, so we are dividing bacteria in various classes. Okay, so these classes are basically psychrophiles, psychrotrophs, mesophiles, thermophiles and hyperthermophiles. Okay, what are these? Psychrophiles, psychrotrophs, mesophiles, thermophiles and hyperthermophiles. Okay, so how we can remember this? What are these classes and how we remember this? So here is our mnemonics. You can remember by this mnemonics. So our mnemonics is what? Look at here. PMT hyper. So just look at here. What is PMT hyper? Basically PMT hyper is pre-medical test hyper tough. Okay, pre-medical test hyper tough. Nowadays NEET is the examination, but in earlier days NEET was basically a pre-medical test. Okay, so it is really very tough. That's why I am giving you a trick. PMT hyper tough. Okay, just write PMT hyper tough. Okay, so you can remember this. So what is P? The first letter P. P means psychotrophs as well as psychrophiles. Okay, then M means basically mesophiles, and then T means basically thermophiles, and hyper tough hyperthermophiles. Okay, hyperthermophiles. Clear? So by this trick you are able to remember these classes. Now we are discussing various classes. What are these basically? So psychrophiles, what is the optimum temperature for their growth? Okay, so the optimum temperature for their growth is 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. Okay, remember this, 10 to 15 degrees centigrade or below. Okay, this is important point. Clear? But they are also capable to grow 0 degree centigrade and below. Okay, so we can say these psychrophiles are true psychrophiles, means they love to remain in the cold temperature. Okay, what is the meaning of phile word? Okay, if we are dividing this term psychrophiles, then we can divide it in psychro plus philes. Phile means in love, phile means in love. Okay, psychro means basically a cold temperature. So these type of bacteria like to remain in 10 to 15 degrees centigrade or below, as well as they are capable in 0 degree centigrade or below temperature. Okay, now how they are able to remain in this temperature? Because their cell wall is made up of polyunsaturated fatty acid. Okay, so by this, due to this unsaturated fatty acid, they can make fluid. Okay, so they can make fluid. Okay, so that is not much rigid. What are the example of these bacteria? So Vibrio psychroerythrus, Vibrio marius, Polar monas, Vesiculata and Psychroflexus. Okay, so just remember, generally whenever the name comes, look at here, psychro word is coming. Psychro word is coming. But in this Polaromonas vesiculata, so generally remember polar bear. You can remember polar bear. Polar bear generally remain in a cold temperature. So by polar word you can remember this example, Polaromonas vesiculata. Okay, and then one Vibrio, and then second is also a Vibrio, that is Marius. Okay, so by this way you can remember these examples. So because on the example examiner asks the questions. Now just look at here, psychotrophs. What are psychotrophs? Basically they are facultative psychrophiles. Okay, so optimum temperature for growth is 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, means this temperature is just like a mesophile temperature. Okay, so generally they remain in this temperature, but if conditions are like that, if we put these bacteria psychrotrophs in 0 degree centigrade, what happen with this? They can survive. Okay, in 0 degree centigrade they can survive, वो जिंदा रह जाएंगे 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे भी वो क्या रह जाएंगे, जिंदा रह जाएंगे. तो ऐसे कौन कौन से बैक्टीरिया हैं, what kind of those bacteria 20 which are remaining on 20 to 30 degree centigrade? Typically Pseudomonas, Aeromonas, Serrata, Acinetobacter, Bacillus, Clostridium and Enterobacter. So these bacteria are also they are pathogenic generally. Okay. Then moving on the mesophiles. Mesophiles, what are mesophiles? The optimum temperature for their growth is 25 to 40 degree centigrade. Okay, 25 to 40 degree centigrade. So most human pathogens generally come in this category. Remember this. Okay, because we also remain live in this temperature. Okay. So what are the example of mesophiles? E. coli, Salmonella, Klebsiella and Staphylococci, and there are so many other bacteria. Okay, so these are mesophile. Remember how we can remember mesophile temperature? Meso start from M, and just remember M for mesophile and M for moderate. Okay, moderate means moderate temperature. Okay, so by this way you can remember moderate temperature. Now moving on thermophiles. Okay, so what is the best, or we can say optimum temperature for their growth? 45 degree centigrade and above temperature is best for their growth. Okay, then how they are able to remain in this higher temperature? Again coming on the cell wall. Okay, now the cell wall of thermophiles is made up of saturated fatty acid. Okay, here cell wall is made up of a polyunsaturated fatty acid, and here cell wall is made up of saturated fatty acid, just opposite. Okay, so what happens? So that cell wall does not become too fluid. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा fluid नहीं हो पाएंगी cell wall. Okay, so what are the example? यहाँ पर example क्या क्या है? Streptothermophilus, Bacillus stereothermophilus and Thermus aquaticus. Okay, so how we can remember? आप कैसे याद रखेंगे इस examples को? Just remember यहाँ पर जो भी examples आ रहे हैं, they contain thermo word. They contain thermo word. ओके, सो थर्मोवर्ड सभी में है. इससे आप ये समझ जाइए कि दिस इज बेसिकली कंसीडर विद इन द थर्मोफाइल्स. ओके, now moving on hyperthermophiles. What are hyperthermophiles? Just look at here, optimum temperature is 80 degree centigrade and above. Okay, so example of hyperthermophiles are what? Archaeobacterium, Thermodesulfobacterium, Equiflax, Pyrolobus fumeri and Thermotoga. Okay, so these are some examples. Remember this so many times. Archaeobacteria, examiner asked question so many times on Archaeobacteria. Now remember one more important example. Methanopyrus candelari is the example which can survive on 122 degrees centigrade. This bacteria can survive on 122 degrees centigrade, as well as it can produce, means it can reproduce its generation. So examiner asks on this bacteria, which of the following bacteria can survive on 122 degrees centigrade? So in CSIR NET, GPAT and NEET PG, examiner asks question on these bacteria. Okay, and the important point are what? For the examination point of view, examiner mostly asks what is psychrophile, means the temperature is important. You have to remember the temperature as well as examples. Okay, यहाँ जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, आपको टेम्परेचर याद रखना है और इसके एग्जाम्पल याद रखने हैं कि कौन कौन सी कैटेगरी में कौन सा टेम्परेचर ऑप्टिमम है और कौन सा टेम्परेचर और कौन से एग्जाम्पल उसके अंदर आते हैं. एक पॉइंट और है यहाँ पर, आप देखिए फैकल्टेटिव थर्मोफाइल्स. फैकल्टेटिव थर्मोफाइल्स कौन से होंगे? दैट आर केपेबल इन ग्रोइंग इन मीजोफिलिक रेंज. ओके, सो थर्मोफाइल्स है, दीज आर बेसिकली थर्मोफाइल्स बट they are able to grow in mesophilic range. Okay, जनरली 45 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से अबव पर ही ग्रोथ करते हैं, बट अगर इनको कम टेम्परेचर पर रख दिया जाए तो क्या होगा? ये मीजोफिलिक रेंज में भी ग्रो कर जाएंगे. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? सो होपफुली यहाँ पर आप लोगों को ये जो मैंने ट्रिक्स बताई और जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताए उससे आप लोगों को यहाँ पर क्लासिफिकेशन याद करने में मदद मिलेगी. हियर आई डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस, गिव द आंसर ऑफ दीज.
Hello everyone, discussing the question number 1. Optimum temperature for the growth of psychrophile bacteria is A 10 to 15 degrees Celsius or below, B 20 to 45 degrees Celsius or above, C 80 degrees Celsius or above, and D none of these. Question number 2. Optimum temperature for the growth of mesophile bacteria is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius or below, B 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, C 80 degrees Celsius or above, D 0 degrees Celsius or below. Question number 3. Optimum temperature for the growth of thermophile bacteria is A 10 to 15 degrees Celsius or below, B 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, C 80 degrees Celsius or above, D 45 degrees Celsius or above. Question number 4. Choose the true statement for facultative psychrophiles bacteria. A. Optimum temperature for growth is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. B. They can survive at 0 degrees Celsius. C. Both are correct. D. None of these. Question number 5. Choose the true statement. A. Polyromonas vasculata is psychrophile bacteria. B. E. coli is mesophilic bacteria. C. Methanopyrus candelari can survive up to 122 degrees Celsius. D. All are correct.
And like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.